Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contract Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to What's Up Wednesday. I'll show you a minor little overhaul we did in a bathroom here where we just had a little bit of time and didn't want to put a lot of money into it, but really kind of dramatically changed the look of the bathroom here, and really it kind of came down to paint. So this is a bathroom in an 87 home, hence the blue floor tile, which we've not replaced, probably will get replaced, but for now, we just wanted to give a quick little impact upon the appearance of the room, and we'll give you a couple little pointers. So here, your accessories can go a long way. That used to be a blue clamshell that held the toilet paper. So that's a quick, easy upgrade. The wall colors before were kind of a greeny blue color, so we've gone here with kind of a stark white, which really brightens up the space. We've also painted the ceiling white, which used to have kind of this yellow undertone. And then the other major change here, we've left the countertop and the sink and faucet were existing. And this used to have oak cabinet doors. And we planned to just paint these doors, but one of them was actually cracked. So we opted to replace the cabinet door fronts just with flat MDF doors, and then we painted them. And it really gonna help to modernize the look of the bathroom, and just painted the side gable of the vanity as well as the mirror. We left this in place as before, the medicine cabinet with the mirrors. And we upgraded the lighting to a nice black LED light. And same over here then with the rest of the accessories. So, not a lot of money went into this. It's a few $100s in paint and materials, mostly labor. We did upgrade the blinds, and I'll show you some before and after pictures at the end of the video. But, sometimes even a coat of paint can make a huge difference. Most people know this, but don't be afraid. If you have a limited budget, then you can look at painting your cabinet doors and other little things to help modernize a space and make it, look more bright and presentable without spending a ton of money on a complete overhaul, which is what we normally do. But this is a bit of a, we'll call it a public service announcement. You don't need to spend a ton of money always, but for some, a blue floor tile might be a deal breaker. In this case, it will be getting replaced sometime in the near future, I'm sure. Anyhow, take a look at this little before and after shot. And thanks for tuning in. I'm Paul from Contract Renovation and Custom Homes. We'll see you next week on What's Up Wednesday. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels. Thanks.